Hi guys, this is Pelek from simplepagetips.com. In this video we're going to talk about Plannero, a new software that has been launched today by Kartik Ramani. And this software promises you to create engaging videos and you can schedule them inside your social media network. It could be Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or whatever. So this is the sales page of Plannero. I guess that you already watched the sales page before. It's a usual sales page. I promise you to make a lot of money. Here you can see here. Then you're going to find the 3 simple steps how to make money. Only takes 3 simple steps. 1, shortlist a video, customize it, and schedule it inside your social media. No more ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-tan. There are more than 250 gorgeous handcrafted templates. Okay, let's jump straight to the software itself. Okay, what you can see here, this is inside the software, okay. This is the main dashboard. This is a short video about how the software works, but I'm going to show you right here in my description. In the dashboard, there's nothing really special. What you can start with the My Brand. Give it a name, test 1. Contact number doesn't matter really now. Brand website, google.com. Of course, this is just for the demonstration. Okay. Country, United States, time zone, Alaska, logo, just put a regular random logo, email address, testy@gmail.com, address 726 Sunset Road, California. Next. Mobile number is required, okay? So there is some issue with the mobile number. Here if I look, okay. But now it's okay. Add social link, not now. So now that I have my brand, you can see here test 1, and I'm going to schedule post. There is Mother's Day, Christmas Eve, Father's Day. So if Mother's Day going to come soon, and I want to make a post about Mother's Day, I'm going to click add to shortlist. If you want to run this video from the shortlisted video and you want to customize it, push the customize button, hit play. Everything inside this video you can change or replace. Okay? Let's say I don't want this sentence to appear here. I want to write here, I don't know. Love you, mom. Okay, and also I can put here, if I want, an image inside the video or my images from my computer, or use Pixabay or Pexels. If I want to put, for example, this photo, I will push the plus icon. And I have this photo of this guy inside my video. And if I push play, so you understand what you can do. You can play with the shades, with the background, to put arrows if you want. And you can do in this video whatever you want, and you customize it. And after you customize this video, you can go to continue. And now you can click the schedule videos. This is your video, and you can schedule it to post it on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. You can put here many videos for the next upcoming weeks or months. Okay. By the way, I want to show you something in my brand. In the test one, I show you all events, and you choose the Mother's Day. But there is also an icon of calendar events. And if I take, for example, April 2022, so I show you in April what kind of special dates you have, or special occasions like a Good Friday Day, or a Faster Sunday, or Easter Monday. And also you can go to May, ASEAN Pacific Day, International Labor Day. So all of this you can use as a content for you to create content for your audience inside the social media network. Okay. So this software actually does what it promised. You create a video, then you can post them inside the top social networks. And this software also has a few OTOs. The first one, you can build 5 brands. This is the front end. It will cost you $37. The first upsell will cost you $97 with unlimited brands that you can create. Another upsell of you becoming an agency and get a client inside this website, it's $47. Then you have also a package of done for you. I don't remember how much it costs. I'm not going to put any link inside my description because I don't think the software is it's worth the money. I'm not saying it doesn't work. I guess that some people can use it in this way or another, but I think that the videos inside the software are very generic. They're not going to become viral. It's not going to increase your sales in any special way. So I'm not going to put any link inside my description. I cannot recommend the software. I guess the software can be useful for someone else, but I guess that if you look for a great video, get inside Canva. I think it will be much better than paying the software so much money at $37 at the beginning and then all the upsells. It's too much expensive. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notification, and have a great evening. Bye bye.